everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. In this video we have another question. This question is for beginners but advanced people can also try it. These type of questions frequently come when you appear for the written test in interviews. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're new or if you haven't yet done it. So with this note, let us begin the question. The question goes like this. There is a string str equal to hello world. Then we have a string sub which is equal to str.substring 5 dot substring 0 comma 5. Okay, then we say sub equal to sub dot to uppercase. Then we say sub dot concat, we concat str dot substring 0 comma 5 dot to lowercase. Okay, and then we print the value of sub. This is our question, and the options for this question are option A world, which is in all caps, option B capital world small hello, option C small hello capital world, option D it will give a compilation error, and option E it will throw a runtime exception. So what do you think will be the correct answer? I want you to pause the video, analyze the question, find out the correct answer, and once you have done with that you can resume the video and see to the solution. Okay, so the correct answer is option A caps world. So let us see why this is the correct answer. So first we have this string hello world. Now we say str.substring 5. So what does this mean? This means from index 5 in str, it will take all the other characters present. Okay, so from 5 it will take all the other characters. So let us count the index. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. From W it is 5. So it will take everything from W. Okay, so now the value of sub is world. And then we again say dot substring 0 comma 5. So see, now the value of sub is world. Let me write it down. Okay, now we again say dot substring 0 comma 5. That means it will take everything, it will cut everything from index 0 to index 4. It will not take 5. Okay, it's always less than what is given, 1 less than what is given. Okay, so it will take from 0 to 4. So let us count the index. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically sub is now 4 world only. Okay, now that sub is world, we say sub equal to sub dot to uppercase. So now the value of sub is world like this. Okay, now when we come to this next line, when we say sub dot concat, let us see what this does. So it says str dot substring 0 comma 5 dot to lowercase. That means it will take from str. Okay, that means from this particular string it will take the element, it will take the characters from 0 to 4, 1 less than 5. Okay, so 0 to 4, and it will convert it to lowercase. So 0 to 5 means 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means hello part. So it will take the hello part and it will convert it to lowercase. Okay, and this is the new string that is stored somewhere, okay, in the memory, but this will not be assigned to sub. We are concatenating it with sub, but it will be not assigned. Okay, there will be a new string created, that is world, that is world hello, like this. Okay, this is the new string that will be created somewhere in the memory, but it will be not assigned to sub because we know strings are immutable, and we have not assigned it like this. If we would have assigned it like this, okay, sub equal to sub dot concat, then the value of sub would have changed, but it is not like that. Okay, so this line creates a new string, but it is not assigned to sub. Okay, and then we finally print sub. So what is the value of sub? The capital world. Okay, let us run the program and see the answer. So you can see the output is the capital world. Okay, so we have learned a lot of things about today's video, that is about that strings are immutable and about substring. There is one more thing, it doesn't matter if you are a fresher or an experienced developer, core Java interview questions are there in every interviews. So for more problems like this, you can go visit our playlist. You'll get a lot of core Java related problems over there which frequently come in interviews. So yes, with this note, let us end our video. Thank you and bye.